Hi everyone, I wanted to give you an updated video. So when you are in class today, you're going to be going back to Schoology without leaving the class meeting that we're currently in, and you're going to go to your breakout room to meet your cohort. So how you get there is you click this down arrow and you can go right to the breakout rooms folder. You can also just scroll down to find that yellow breakout rooms folder. When you click on it, you will see that the only breakout room available is the one that you're in. So you'll see your name down here. You click on that link, and in there you'll click on the file that takes you to your Microsoft Teams meeting link. When you click on that, you will be put on hold in our class meeting and you'll be with your cohort. So you join that meeting, you'll be able to talk to your cohort and be in a meeting with them. You can do the chat function, you can do anything you need to do. When it's time to go back to our team meeting, all you have to do is click leave in your breakout room. I'm going to dismiss that. I'm going to close down Teams, and you'll see that you are still in our class meeting. All you have to do is hit this resume button to join us again in class. So when it's time to come back to class, just leave your cohort meeting, your breakout room, and resume into our class meeting. So when you are with your cohort in the breakout room, you also need to go to Schoology and access the poem reconstruction folder. So you can click it right here or scroll down again, and you'll see that these first two assignments are relevant. Everyone's going to look at these lines from a poem that I've put into alphabetical order. And you are also going to look at the poem reconstruction assignment sheet. And this is the assignment that you'll be working on together. So I'm hoping your cohort will come up with a name for your cohort. Someone can type onto this file, and you can also handwrite it if someone from your cohort wants to handwrite it instead. I would recommend quickly deciding who's going to take notes, who's going to make sure you come back to the class meeting on time, who's going to speak aloud and share with the class. So figure out who's going to do what in the cohort for this assignment, and then access the lines from the poem to put them back into the order that you think the original poet wrote them in. So you'll read all about what you're supposed to do on this assignment sheet that is called, as you can see, the Poem Reconstruction Assignment Sheet. And the lines you'll be reordering are the lines from the poem in alphabetical order. So hopefully that makes it more clear, and you can meet me back in the class meeting to see if you have any questions before you go ahead and meet with your cohort. Thank you.